Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at the Weems plotter, which is one of the fastest plotting tools in navigation. The Weems plotter consists of a protractor. On one long side of the protractor, you will have a sleeve, and inside the sleeve is a bar with wheels on each end. You can use the Weems on any navigational chart without having to rely on a compass rose. Follow these easy steps. Find a meridian of longitude close to your position, or draw a light pencil line parallel to any meridian close to your work area. In step number 1, we draw a straight line up from the 1000 position. Next, we want to measure a course of 0.45 degrees true. Line up the crosshair on the center of the protractor anywhere along your line. Keep the crosshair centered over the line as shown in step number 2. Rotate the protractor until the line crosses 0.45 on the engraved half circle in the center of the Weems. Place light pressure onto the roller bar, then go to the next step. Roll the protractor down to your position. Note how one long edge of the Weems plotter now lines up with the dot of our 1000 GPS position. Draw your course line in the direction of 0.45 degrees true, and we want to sail to the northeast, so we draw the line in that direction. Erase all extraneous lines to make your chart neat and legible. Here you can see we've left just the 1000 GPS position along with the new course line. Now you know how to use the Weems plotter to plot courses or bearings on a navigational chart. Use easy sailing tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.